In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your 1password account. This process can be incredibly helpful if you found yourself locked out, or if you've forgotten crucial login details. First, let's start with why account recovery is significant. 1password is a comprehensive password manager, ensuring your passwords and personal information are stored securely. In today's digital age, losing access to such a vital tool can be inconvenient and stressful. That's why knowing how to regain access is crucial. Now, let's dive into the steps for recovering your account. Begin by navigating to the 1password website. You'll find their site is designed to make it easy to manage both passwords and extended access. Once you're on their homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually prominently displayed to help users like you access their accounts smoothly. Once you've clicked Login, proceed to the 1password home. This is your central hub on the platform, offering a bird's-eye view of all your personal data and settings. From here, the next thing to do is to locate and select your profile. This section holds all your account details and is where most account recovery steps will take place. With your profile open, look for the Manage Account option. Clicking on this will take you to a series of settings and options tailored for your account recovery and management needs. It's a user-friendly area where you can modify various aspects of your account. Finally, you'll see an option labeled Set up your account recovery. Clicking on this will initiate the recovery process. It's essential to follow any on-screen instructions carefully. The process may involve confirming your identity or answering security questions to ensure that your account is kept safe during recovery. Throughout these steps, I have a few additional tips to consider. First, make sure your internet connection is stable to prevent any disruptions while you're going through these steps. Also, ensure that the email associated with your 1password account is up to date, as you may receive important communication regarding the recovery process. Remember, taking note of security policies provided by 1password can significantly enhance your experience. Regularly updating your security details and keeping track of your login credentials can prevent future lockouts. To wrap up, recovering your 1password account follows a straightforward series of steps. By heading to their website, logging in, navigating through your profile and settings, and setting up account recovery, you can regain access with minimal hassle. Remember, each of these steps is designed to secure your data and provide you peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day.